Hello students of Thakar Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. This is the fifth part of the video chapter 1 Mathematical Logic. In this part we will see the solutions of questions from logic in the year 2020. There are three questions. First question is write the negation of the following statements. There's two statements are given. It is of 2 marks. Then second question is of also 2 marks, and third question is of 4 marks. So total 8 marks question will come from logic in your board exam. Okay, so prepare well. Let's see the solution of these questions in detail. See the question paper of 2020. Question from logic is, now we have first question. Write the negation of the following statements. First part is, if it snows then Gajashree does not drive car. Second part is, there exists x belongs to n such that x square less than x. Okay, we have to write the negation of these statements. See the solution. First part, it is given conditional, no? It is if then statement. So P implies Q. That means P is if it snows, Gajashree does not drive car is Q. This is P and this statement is Q. Okay, so conditional is P implies Q, and the negation of this statement is equals to P and not Q. Okay, so we have to write this statement in this form, in form of P and not Q. So what is P? If it snows, so we write it snows and this is and not Q, means write the negation of this part. Gajashree does not drive car. Its negation is Gajashree drives a car. Drive a car. Okay. Now see the second part. It is there exists x belongs to n such that x square less than x. Okay, so convert this there exists by for every. This is for every x belongs to n such that x square, it is given less, so we write more, x square more than x. So this is the negation of this statement. Okay, see the next question of year 2020. Two statements are given. Tanmay is a student, P and Q. Tanmay likes to watch cricket match. Now we have to write the verbal statement to describe each of the following. Statement pattern is given, P double implies Q. We have to write it in the statement form, and also P and not Q is given. We have to convert it into statement form. Okay, see the first. It is P double implies Q. Double implies means if and only if. Okay, so we write Tanmay is a student if and only if. This we have used because of double implication. Okay, if and only if he likes to watch cricket match. Okay, understood? Now come to second part. B part is given, P and not Q. We have to write P and not Q. So what is P? P is Tanmay is a student. Tanmay is a student, and we have to write not Q. So not means not likes to watch cricket match. Okay, and he does not likes to watch cricket match. Okay, understood? In this way we have write the statement form from the logical form. Okay, now see the third question of year 2020. We have to use the truth table and verify not of not P implies not Q is equivalent to not P and Q. Okay, so we have to prove this or verify this by using truth table. So we have drawn table P Q, not P, not Q, not P and Q, not P and Q, not P and Q, not P implies not Q, not P and Q, not of not P and not Q. Okay, you can also write the number of columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we put the values true, true, first two true, first true, false, true, false, true, and false. Now not P means false, not P, false, not P, true, true. Here opposite of this. Okay, now not P and not Q. We have not P implies not Q. We have to see whether when this column is false and this is true, in that case it is false. Rest all the columns is true. Okay, when not Q is false and not P is true, in that case only it is false. Now sixth column, not P and Q, not P and Q. We have to take the and between T and F, F, F and F, F, T and T, T, F and T, F. Okay, now we take the negation of not P implies not Q, negation of this. Okay, that means negation of T, F, negation of T, F, negation of F, T, negation of T, F. Now see F, 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 T, T, F, F. These columns are identical now. Since column 6 and 7 are identical, hence this statement is verified. Okay, so we write not of not P implies not Q is equivalent to not P and Q. So this statement is verified. Okay, hope you have understood. Try to solve this question, practice all the questions from the book. If you have any doubt, you can ask.